There it is. I can see inside of my fridge without opening the doors. Pretty cool. 4 individual doors. Now that is hot. There's the camera right there. 3 cameras to see inside of the fridge. And you can check it through your iPhone. Check what's food in there, expiration for the food, play all kinds of music. You can pick music. Got your iHeartRadio. You can draw for fun. Kids love it. Yeah. You got a recipe. You can order food online. You can adjust. Everything is digital. So can't complain. Got all your recipes here. You can order food online and they'll send it right to your house. And you connect it to your phone and smart TV. It's very good. There's my family photo up here. There's the weather. 5-day forecast. Definitely is a goodbye. Merry Christmas for me. Finally got it in. Got it for myself. I didn't get the iPhone X and wasted money. I got this instead. So it's a very big iPad. Smart fridge. And I got the dark silver. It's the new color, black silver. Black silver instead of stainless silver. New color. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Alright. You can watch a movie. I got all types of Netflix and internet browser in here. Alright. Pandora right there.